out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. It reads, a rectangle with perimeter 100 meter. Find the dimensions that maximize the area. Now, how do we solve this question? Let us go. Now, we are dealing with a question on a rectangle. And remember that for a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay, so we have the length and then we have the breadth. Okay, now they gave us the perimeter of the rectangle. Now, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle, okay, is equal to 2 brackets length plus what? Plus the breadth. Is that clear? Now, this is a formula for calculating the perimeter of a rectangle. Now, they gave us the perimeter as what? As 100 meters. So it's going to be 2 brackets length plus breadth equals what? 100. Okay? Now, from what you are having here, okay, I can decide to divide both sides by what? By 2. Okay? Now, if I divide both sides by 2, 2 here is what? Is 50. So length plus breadth is equals to what? Is equal to 50. Am I communicating? Good. Now, based on what we are having here, all right, so what is the area of a rectangle? Length times what? Length times the breadth. Am I communicating? So if you are having A is equal to what? L times what? Times B. Am I communicating? Now, from what you are having here, I can either decide to make L to stand alone or make B, which is the breadth, to stand alone. Now, if I decide to make L stand alone, so it's going to be L equals, now B comes here, so I'm having 50 minus what? Minus B. Is that clear? Now, anywhere I see L here in the area, I'll put the value of what? I'll put the value 50 minus B. Is that clear? In place of L here, since L is equal to what? 50 minus B. My A now, all right, my A, which is the area, is equal to, now from what you're having here, my L is 50 minus what? 50 minus B. So I'm having my L here, 50 minus B, 50 minus what? B. Is that clear? So 50 minus B times what? Times B. 50 minus B times B. Now, I can open the bracket from there. Is that clear? So at the end of the day now, my A now is equal to what? Now, B times 50 is 50B. Okay? Then B times B is B squared. Am I communicating? Okay. Now, from what we are having here now, all right? Now, you are asked to find the dimensions that maximize the area. Okay? So, now, I can differentiate here. All right? So, I can decide to find the A. Okay, the A, the B. All right. Now, the A, the B here is equal to, now differentiate this. I'm having it as 50 minus differentiate this. Here is 2B. Is that clear? So my the A, the B equals what? 50 minus what? Minus 2B. Now, if you cast your mind back towards the stationary point, okay, at stationary point, what happens? Divide the x is what? Is 0. So I can say my the A, the B here. Okay, so let's the A, the B here be equals to what? Be equals to 0. So at the end of the day, I'll be having 50 minus 2B is equal to what? Is equals to 0. Is that clear? Okay, so this comes here. My 2B now is equal to what? Is equal to 50. Am I communicating? All right, so that is 50. Now, both sides by 2. All right, so 2 cancels 2. 2 in 50 is 25. So my breadth is equals to what? 25. Okay, so breadth, okay, my B is 25 meter. Okay, so the breadth is 25 meter. What about the length? Now come back here. Length is equals to what? 50 minus B. So my length here is equals to what? 50 minus what? 50 minus B. All right, and that gives us what? L equals 50 minus 25, and that gives us what? 25. Am I communicating? All right, so the dimensions now that maximize the area equal to what? L times B. That is what? 25 times what? Times 25. Okay.